Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some important very short answer questions from the chapter complex numbers. Okay, let us see first question. These three are very important problems. Okay, do practice. We have given z1 minus 1, z2 minus iota. Find arg of z1, z2. So arg of z1, z2 formula, we have formula arg z1 plus arg z2. So to make use of that formula, we need to find arg z1 as well as arg z2. So in order to find the argument of a complex number, the complex number must be in the form of cos theta plus iota sin theta. If it is in the form of cos theta plus iota sin theta, theta will be the argument. So we have to convert the given complex number into such form. So how to convert? Without changing its value, we need to convert. So you see z1 minus 1. First of all, let's have x plus iota y form. Simply we have x only. Create iota. So without changing its value, minus 1 can also be written as minus 1 plus iota into 0. So here we need to introduce cos term. Here we need to introduce, in place of 0, we have to introduce sin term. Minus 1, 0. In place of minus 1, cos. So for what angle cos value become minus 1? You know, this is the trigonometry concept. You should remember. Cos pi known as minus 1. Cos pi value minus 1. Cos 180 degrees value minus 1. So minus 1 can be replaced with cos pi. At the same time 0 can be replaced with sin pi. Same angles. Angles must be same. So cos pi plus iota into 0. 0 can be replaced with sin pi. Now clearly we are able to see cos theta plus iota sin theta form. I told you na, in place of theta whatever value we have, that will be your argument. Now I can write arg z1, right? I can write arg z1 value. Arg z1 is nothing but theta. In place of theta we have here and here we have pi. So that's why arg z1 pi. Similarly we need to find arg z2. So let us write z2 first. Given z2 minus iota. Write it in x plus iota y form. Here there is no real part. Real part can be assumed as 0 plus iota into minus 1. On simplification we will get again minus iota, no problem. Now once again replacement. 0 must be replaced with the cos term, minus 1 must be replaced with the sin term for same angles. So which one? So if I think about minus 1 sin term, sin 91, sin of minus 90 minus 1, sin of minus 90 minus 1. At the same time cos of minus 90, cos 90, 0. Yes, so 0 can be replaced with cos of minus 90 degrees minus pi by 2 radians plus iota into sin of minus 90. So trigonometry concept involved here. Okay. So have you got cos theta plus iota sin theta form or not? Now I can write arg z2. Arg z2. I told you theta is nothing but your argument. So here minus pi by 2. Here and here I can see same angle minus pi by 2. So your arg z value is minus pi by 2. Now we will go for required one. Arg of z1 z2 formula. Arg of z1 z2 formula. Arg z1 plus arg z2. This is the formula. So substitute arg z1 value pi plus arg z2 value minus pi by 2 plus minus pi by 2 plus into minus pi by 2. So pi minus pi by 2 plus into minus minus. Now 2 is the LCM. 2 pi minus pi. So answer is pi by 2. So this is the answer for first problem. Similarly second one also same. Concept is same. So let's write, if z1 is equal to minus 1 and z2 is equal to iota, then find arg of z1 by z2. This time arg of z1 by z2. Formula arg z1 minus arg z2. Just formula changed. Procedure is same. So let us consider first complex number. z1 is equal to minus 1. Same procedure na, minus 1 plus iota into 0 minus 1 can be replaced with cos pi plus iota same, 0 can be replaced with sin pi. If you are thorough with trigonometry concepts only, you can understand this problem. So I told you na, whatever theta value we have, that would be your argument. So arg z1, answer pi. Now z2 iota, write it in x plus iota y form. Here there is no real part can be assumed as 0 plus iota into 1. On simplification, will you get again iota or not? Yes. Now replacement, 0 must be replaced with cos term, 1 must be replaced with sin term. Can you identify the angle? Sin 90 degrees 1, cos 90 degrees 0. So cos pi by 2 plus iota into sin pi by 2. So which is in the form of cos theta plus iota sin theta. So I told you, whatever theta we get, that is your argument. So arg z2, I can write now arg z2 value. So theta, in place of theta we have pi by 2 in both the places. So that pi by 2 become argument. Now we are asked to find arg of z1 by z2. Formula arg z1 minus arg z2. This is the formula. Substitute arg z1 value pi minus arg z2 value pi by 2. Now 2 is the LCM, 2 pi minus pi. So answer is pi by 2. Let's see third question. If the arg z1 bar and arg z2 are pi by 5 and pi by 3 respectively, then find arg z1 plus arg z2. So let us write the given information. Given that arg z1 bar value given, arg z1 bar value given. Okay, observation is most important. This is not arg z1, arg z1 bar given. Arg z1 bar value given as pi by 5. The second one, arg z2 given. Arg z2 given. Arg z2 value pi by 3. Now the question is to find arg z1 plus arg z2. Arg z1 plus arg z2. Arg z1, no, arg z1 not given, arg z1 bar given. But we know if the argument of any complex number is known, we can write argument of its conjugate easily. This time argument of conjugate is given, we have to write argument of that complex number. Argument of z1 bar is given, we have to write argument of z1. So simple. So what is the formula? You have to remind, if arg z is equals to theta, then arg z bar is equal to minus theta. So just they differ with symbols, sign difference only. So if arg z1 bar is pi by 5, can you say arg z1 now? It's obviously minus pi by 5. I told you na, just they differ with symbols, sign only, sign difference. Now arg z1 value minus pi by 5 plus arg z2 value pi by 3. Simplification. 5, 3, LCM is 15. Now 5 3s are 15, 3 into minus pi, minus 3 pi plus 3 5s are 15, 5 into pi, 5 pi. You know this LCM method na? 5 pi minus 3 pi. So otherwise 5 3s are 15, just like cross multiplication, 3 into minus pi, minus 3 pi plus 5 into pi, 5 pi. 5 pi minus 3 pi, 2 pi by 15 is the required answer. Okay, so in this way we can solve this kind of simple problems. These are very important problems. Do practice.